Super excited this morning, heading out today on a ride with British Columbia. I got up at the crack of dawn this morning, actually before the crack of dawn. All right guys, we're just about ready to go here. We're prepping up, but we do have one slight problem.
Ta-da! It's Fred!
Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back. This is the Oceanside guy. My name is Derek, and I finally made it. I drove up the California coastline, and I finally arrived. So did I get to British Columbia, or did British Columbia come here?
British Columbia came here.
Ha! British Columbia came here. Everybody, welcome David to sunny Southern California. This is David. He drove all the way from British Columbia. Wow, but you are actually traveling here with your family, right?
Yes, yeah, we went to Disneyland, and we have we're going to Arizona tomorrow.
Oh,
and
easy.
We're gonna go up north to Utah and all the way back home.
Oh, nice. And I gotta say, David just found me on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
And he reached out and said, I'm gonna be in sunny Southern California, and he wanted to meet up for a ride. So we are here. We're actually right here in Marina del Rey, and it's got to be very cloudy as normal, right? And this is my first time right here in Marina del Rey, my first time getting out here. We're going to get out here on the water today. We're going to kind of ride around, show you around some of the Southern California waters. We're going to all play it by ear today. Not exactly sure where we're going to go, as I am pretty, well, brand new to the area here. But we do have another friend that knows the area much better than I do. Hold on, you might have seen him before, I'm sure you have. Another good friend of mine. Bam!
Hey!
There he is. This is Fred, everybody. You've probably seen him on a couple of my other videos going to Catalina Island. He's been on a couple trips with us, especially that one trip. You remember that one trip we went to? It was you, PJ, and I. All right. Hey, everybody, this is Fred. Say hi to Fred.
Hey.
Yeah, our new SeaDoo friend. What you got there, mister?
I have an RX TX 300. Yeah, love it.
That's fast.
I love it.
We prefer the 230s, right, PJ?
Yeah,
230s.
Can I still join the group?
You can. Yeah. We came back from Catalina and we saw pods and pods. There must have been thousands of dolphins on the way back from Catalina.
Beautiful.
Man, I'll put that link in the description below. You got to watch that one. So this guy is going to show us around today because I am clueless on where we're going. Where are we going today? We're going to play it by ear. What's up?
We're gonna play by ear, but I'm gonna show you the Santa Monica Pier. And if the weather permits and the waves are good, we'll head up a little bit north, Malibu area. We can get some footage of the burned houses, and then we're gonna come back down south to Redondo Beach area. Stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're just about ready to go here. We're prepping up, but we do have one slight problem. We've got one problem, guys. So David came all the way from British Columbia. He did all his homework, right?
Yeah.
To get himself a SeaDoo when he got here. And what happened, dude?
Unfortunately, I will not be riding a SeaDoo today. I will be riding a Yamaha, which is something that I never intended to do in my life.
Oh no! Everybody say ah!
But I have my SeaDoo jacket and my SeaDoo vest, along with our SeaDoo attire here.
Yes.
So we are still representing the brand.
We're still representing, guys. No offense to all you yammies out there. No offense to you, but he was expecting his SeaDoo today.
I'm a SeaDoo guy. I'm sorry.
There we go.
I will always be a SeaDoo guy.
Yeah. Well, I guess we'll have to get on the water anyway, but we'll just have to maybe film him from, here up, possibly, and, do it that way. What do you guys think? All right, guys, we're about to get ready and launch here on the water. Let's do it. Here's David on his makeshift SeaDoo.
Help me out. Where's the start button? How does this thing work?
How does it work? Oh my goodness.
Come on.
It's almost foreign, huh? All right, guys, I'm the last one as always, so let's get it. Are you ready?
Ready. Ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Let's go, guys. All right. We are on the water out here at Marina del Rey. First time launching from this area. There he is. Good thing Fred's here today because I wouldn't know where I'm going. All right, how's that ski working for you? It'll do for now, guys. It'll do for now. Got his boy back there. All right, Fred, which way are we going?
Exit left.
Exit left even. Okay, let's go. That away. I was hoping it'd be a little bit more sunnier for David and his boy to get down here to California and see some of California's beauty, right? Well, that's okay. That was a bit of a no wake zone there. It's probably a good 15 minutes, I think. All right, here we are in the wide open, guys. Let's go. Wish it wasn't so gray out here today. All right, so right here is the Santa Monica Pier. They got that mini Ferris wheel up there, little roller coaster, rides, all kinds of stuff right there on the pier. I've always seen it on TV. All right, what do we think of Santa Monica?
Love Southern California. This is amazing. Beautiful.
Wow. Wish the sun was out.
Yeah, I know.
That'd make it even better.
I'm gonna be coming back here. I'm gonna be bringing my own trailer and plan something for the future. That's for sure.
There we go.
Fred, should we go to Vancouver next?
Yes. All right, guys, let's take a poll. Should we go to Vancouver? Should we go to BC next? Should we do that? All right, Santa Monica Pier, check. Now we're gonna go up to Malibu. Some of you guys might be familiar with that, especially if you're not here on the West Coast. Malibu is one of the areas that really got hit hard with the fires. And so that's just right up here. We're gonna go up there and take a look around. Okay. I almost pulled a no-no and went inside those buoys. I wasn't paying attention. But apparently they got these buoys aligned all the way around the pier here in Santa Monica. You cannot go in there. It is just for swimming only, I believe. So can't go in and get a close-up of the pier, which I'd like to do, but otherwise I'd have to swim and do it, but I don't want to do that. It's pretty cold. All right, here we go. Let's go to Malibu. Right out here in really nice glassy conditions this morning. Nice and flat. So is this all of Malibu?
So I forgot the Woolsey fire. That's where these mountains were charred from. So the Woolsey fire was this one.
Yeah, I don't know if you can make it out, but this is where some of the fires were in Malibu. And I can tell the hills here are definitely charred. They discolored and all that from the fires. I know you can't see it on the video, but man, just looking at it is upsetting. And right around the corner here, Fred was saying the Palisades fire. So just around here, around the corner, is where the Palisades fires were. The really, really big fires. All right, Fred, I got a question for you, buddy.
I have an answer.
You do have an answer. It's a yes or no question.
Should we go to Catalina? I'm going.
No, it's a yes or no question. I see that you're just wearing shorts,
Yes.
a t-shirt.
Yes.
The question is, are you cold?
Nope. No, I am not cold. And flip-flops.
Ah, and flip-flops. Now
For grip.
for grip. Okay, you got to get the grip. But dude, I've got my little 1.5 millimeter top on, and I'm a little chilly. I've got my gloves on. I got my cool little hat on. I'm wearing shorts today, but
The Californians were in the shorts on a cold day, and the Canadians were in the jacket and the long coat.
Yeah, he's all dressed up and everything. My goodness.
I should be used to the cold.
No kidding. I almost wore my long pants today, but I didn't. You're not cold.
Say what happened.
I know, right?
Yeah.
I got him in the car.
Go back and get it?
Yeah, let me go back and get him. I'll be right back. Oh my goodness, he's not cold. He rides the Catalina like this too. He's like the only one that's like undressed. Or I should say, not dressed for the occasion. I don't know how he does. I don't know how you do it. You got like a heater in there or something?
Yeah.
Built-in heater? You had batteries for that?
It's solar powered. So you can only imagine what I go through in the summer. Anything above 75, just don't talk to me.
All right, so there you have it. Fred is not cold. Now I'm starting to move a little bit more in the water. Get a little chilly. Sporting the shorts today. So I guess we just went as far as Malibu. We're gonna head down south a little bit. So grateful to be up here today. This is the furthest north I have ever been. And new places to see on the SeaDoo. We have got the seals. They're just hanging out, minding their own business. Fred, are you cold yet?
No.
Dang! How can you not be cold?
I don't know. It's warm.
Don't you like get water splashed on you?
I do. It feels warm.
Okay. All right.
Oh yeah, that is warm.
I'm a little chilly. Not much, but I don't know. How are you, David? Are you cold or what?
Not bad.
Not bad. All right, all right. Hey, I'm gonna borrow your heater or something. All right, where are we headed to now, mister?
That pier.
What pier is that?
I think Redondo.
Redondo. All right, let's go to Redondo. Is it Redondo?
Redondo.
Redondo. You gotta roll your R's, guys. Redondo Pier. Let's go. Made it to Redondo Beach. Pier's right behind me. Not too bad. Getting a little bit more choppy out here today. This is really nice. Looks like there's a restaurant over here. Can you like dock and dine here at all?
Yeah, you want to show you where?
Oh. Nice. Restaurant right up ahead. Is this like public maybe tie-up?
This is where you tie up.
So if you do come down here and you want to eat, there's a whole bunch of restaurants over here. And I guess you can park here, but you have to pay for it. You can tie up here. Yeah, how's that Yammy doing?
It's doing its job.
It's doing its job.
It's not my SeaDoo, but
Yeah. But you have a 2024 𝐓𝐡𝐚𝐧𝐠?
Yeah.
We're making our way back to the dock. It's getting quite bouncy out here now. The wind has picked up for sure. We were really hoping for the sun to come out, but it just didn't make it. Bummer. That sun's trying to pop out. All right, guys, we made it into the marina. We're gonna make our way down the no-wake zone here just a little bit, but I do want to share something with you guys. You know, David came all the way from British Columbia just to get down here, not just to ride with us, but he's down here with his family, but took a whole day to come out here and ride with us. So I just want to give him something before he heads out, so stay tuned for that. And also, if you don't know already, our annual Catalina ride to Two Harbors is coming up July 25th. So if you happen to see this video by then, let me know if you want to go. And now the sun starts to pop out. And we are back at the marina. Here are the docks right in front of me. So we're all gonna get tied up here real quick. All right, here we go. All right, David, I gotta ask, because everybody wants to know. How was it riding on the Yamaha?
Wasn't so bad.
It wasn't so bad.
It did its job. I still would have preferred my SeaDoo, but
Yeah.
you know.
Okay. So it got you from A to B, basically.
Yeah, exactly. It was good. It was good.
Yeah.
Good experience. I'm glad to be out here. It was a lot of fun.
Nice. Now, we're not making fun of you Yamaha people. Well, maybe we
No.
are just a little bit. Maybe just a tad. That's okay. Everybody's got their preference for skis, right? But we just prefer SeaDoo.
SeaDoo.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we docked up. We're back here in the parking lot. David here, who came all the way from British Columbia.
Kelowna, British Columbia. For all you people, check it out. It's a beautiful place.
Nice. Nice. He didn't come down just to ride with us today, but your family's here and you're having a vacation time. But thanks for doing the shout out, getting down here, having a good time, and
I appreciate it.
pleasure meeting you and having you out in the water. We do have something for you. I wanted to give you something, something small. My friend Fred here makes these, and they are the engine service cover washer upgrade kits right here for your SeaDoo. And you've got like a little bit of the blue SeaDoo, you got a GTI.
Teal.
Yeah, you get the teal. So we got a couple different colors for your ski here. You can put them on your back deck. So we just thought we'd give those to you.
Well, I
Compliments of Fred.
That is awesome. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, so Fred said, you know what, we need to give him something. And so that's where we,
Yeah. It's the first thing I'll be doing when I go home is just put them on.
There you go.
Thank you.
All right, so here's Fred. He's the creator of the back deck, the washer upgrade kit. I've actually got a few sets of my own as well too. But if you guys are wanting a back deck washer upgrade kit, you can get them. I will put affiliate link in the description box down below for Amazon. You can pick them up there, and we'll give you some information for Fred here as well if you have any questions on them. But if you want to grab those, you can. I'll also put in a video in the description box down below on how I installed it and all that good stuff. So Fred, thanks for bringing those down and giving them over to David.
Yeah, definitely.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Anytime.
Nice to meet you guys.
All right, guys, and that is it. All the way from Los Angeles, right up here at Marina del Rey. We had a great time today. It's a short video today, but nonetheless, we had a good time. I'm just so thankful for meeting new friends right here on this channel. So guys, if you enjoyed this small ride today, but yet fun, go ahead and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and hit that like button, and we'll see you on the next one. And don't forget, make today your best day, because tomorrow isn't promised. Until next time, I'll see you on the water.